In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the engine air filter on this Nissan Altima with the 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. It's located underneath the hood right behind your battery, so let's get started. Looking underneath the hood, you'll see the Airbox right there behind the battery. And to access the air filter, there are several clips that we have to undo around the Airbox, these metal ones that will release the top cover from the bottom half. There's one more back here that's kind of tucked away. Once you unclip all of those, the mass airflow sensor harness is connected, although you do not have to disconnect it or unclip it from the Airbox cover, because all we need to do is lift it up like this and take the air filter and slide it right out. As you can see, this one's quite dirty, so definitely time for a replacement. When you put the new air filter in, notice that it has a rubber gasket along the edge, and this old one is a great example of what to pay attention to because right here, the person that installed it last pinched the gasket and it has come undone from the air filter, and this would actually cause debris to go through and into the engine. So lift up this cover. If there's a lot of debris down there, clean it with a vacuum cleaner, install the new air filter, and make sure that it is seated in position. You can only install it one way because it has that long plastic area down there. So once it's seated like this, make sure it's completely flat and slide the top of the Airbox right back down. You'll know that it's seated correctly when you feel that it is not moving around and that it's bottomed out completely. And if you can clip these clips on very easily, you know it's done right. If you have to pry on them or force them, the top is not seated correctly, and that means it's higher up than it should be. At this point, the air filter is replaced, so job is done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.